Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about volume of a cone. Here is a picture of a cone. Here you can see this small 2 inches. That small line is called the radius. This small line, this one which is marked as 2 inches, that is called the radius. You can see this 8 inches, that is referred to as the height. That is referred to as the height. This 8 inches, this is referred to as the height. This small line, that is the radius of the cone. And suppose in case if this line is completely extended, if the line is going from this end to this end, then it is called as the diameter of the cone. And the radius is half of diameter. Generally, the radius is denoted as R, the diameter is denoted as D. So, the radius is half of this diameter. Diameter means this complete length, and the radius is just this small line, the small black line you can see here, that is the radius. Now, what is the formula for finding the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r is the radius and h is the height. This is the formula for finding the volume of the cone. Now let us see the values for each of this. The value of pi is 3.14 approximately. In some places you can see the value of pi as 22 by 7. Both are one and the same. Now what about the radius r? The value of the radius r is already given here as 2 inches. So that is the value of the radius. What is the height? Height is equal to 8 inches. Now we have all the values. Now let us substitute that. So volume V is equal to 1 by 3. What is pi? Pi is 3.14. 3.14 times r square. R square, what is r? 2. So, 2 to the power of 2. That is 2 square. 2 to the power of 2 times height is 8 inches. So, I am just simply putting it 8. So, that is equal to 1 by 3 times 3.14 times, what is 2 square? 2 times 2 times 8. 2 square is 2 times 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 times 3.14 times 2 twos are 4. 4 times 8. Now let us multiply all this and then divide it by 3. Either you can do it using the multiplication strategy, or else you can just use the calculator. Here it will be like 1 by 3 times 3.14 times 8 fours are 32. That is equal to, so I am just simply going to use a calculator for finding this. If this is equal to 33.49, and what is the unit? Inches. So inch cube. Why inch cube? Since it is volume, whatever be the unit, you have to raise it to the power of 3. Or this can also be written as, instead of inch cube, you can write it as cubic inches also. So cubic inches or inch cube, both are one and the same. Now consider this cone where you are given the height of the cone and the diameter. So you don't have the radius here. You know the formula for finding the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r is the radius, but here we don't have the radius. Instead what we have here is the diameter. This 8 feet, that is going to be the diameter. As I told you, diameter is generally denoted as d. So, the radius is going to be d by 2, that is half of diameter, which means 8 by 2, which is equal to 4 feet. 8 divided by 2. So, the radius here is going to be 4 feet. Now, what is the value of pi? You know it is 3.14, and the height is given as 9 feet. Now we have all the values. Let us substitute and find the volume. V is equal to 1 by 3. Value of pi is 3.14 times. You have the radius here as 4 feet. So it's going to be 4 square times. So r square is 4 square times. What is the height? 9. 9. So this 1 by 3 times 3.14 times 4 square means multiplying 4 2 times. Why 2 times? Because it is raised to the power of 2. So you just need to multiply 4 2 times 9. That is equal to 1 by 3 times 3.14 times. What is 4 times 4? It's going to be 16 times 9. So now let us multiply these 3 and divide it by 3. I am going to use a calculator for that. So this is equal to 150.72 and what is the unit? Feet. So feet cube. 150.72 feet cube. Why feet cube? Because it is going to be the volume. For volume, you have to simply put the unit and raise it to the power of 3. Instead of feet cube, you can also write it as 150.72 cubic feet. Both are one and the same. So, hope you have understood about finding the volume of the cone when radius and height is given and when diameter and height are given. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.